Okay, Tigers, welcome back. So today we're going to be multiplying a one-digit number by a three-digit number using an area model. Yesterday we learned that digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and an area model is a drawing using place value, and then partial product is part of an answer to a multiplication problem. So our first problem is 3 times 436. So if you look at 436, we now have 1, 2, 3 digits. So since we have 3 digits, that means that we need 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. So first step is 3 times the hundreds place now. So we have 4 in the hundreds place. So we have a 4, and then we know 100 has 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Then we have 3 times 3 in the tens place. So we know that 3 and tens have 1 0. And then we have 3 times 6 ones, so 6. And remember, if I add these together, 400 plus 30 plus 6, does that equal 436? Yes. 4, 3, 6. Yep, that's all connected correctly. And what are we multiplying by? We're multiplying by 3. Okay, so we're going to do the same steps. 3 times 400. So we look at our basic facts. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And we put our 2 zeros. 2 zeros. 1,200. Next. 3 times 30. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 0. 1 0. And last, ones place. 3 times 6. I forgot that. Let's do a brain up. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. Oh, okay, 18. Now I'm going to take all of these partial products and add them up. Really important to line them up correctly. 1,200, 90, 18. Eight, 10, 3, and 1. Our answer is 1,308. Now we're going to do it again. How many digits? Yes, 3 digits. 3 digits, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. All right, first number. Hundreds. How many hundreds? 600. 2 zeros because we're in the hundreds place. How many tens? 4 tens. 1 0 because we're in the tens place. How many ones? 8 ones. And when we add this all together, it equals 648. Yep, it matches. Okay, and what are we multiplying by? 7. Okay, first step, multiply the hundreds. 7 times 6, 42. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Next one. 7 times 4, 28. How many zeros? 1 0. Next one. 7 times 8. Don't remember that one. Let's do brain dump. Brain dumps help you So if you need to add to get your answer, you can. 7 times 3. 14 plus 7 more is 21. 7 times 4 plus 7 more is 28. 7 times 5 plus 7 more is 35. 7 times 6 plus 7 more is 42. 7 times 7 plus 7 more is 49. 7 times 8 plus 7 more is 56. 56. Now you take all your partial products and add it together. 4,200, 280. You always line them up from greatest to least, plus 56. That way when you're adding it together, it's added up together properly. And make sure you line things up. If you need to draw lines like that, go ahead. 6, 13, 5, 4. 4,536. And that is how you can multiply using a area model. All right, see you soon, Tigers.